Sound leakage, also known as sound bleed, happens when audio escapes from your headphones and becomes audible to people nearby. This occurs because sound waves vibrate through the ear pads or ear tips instead of being fully sealed around your ears. Higher frequencies tend to leak more easily than lower ones, which is why voices and sharp sounds are often what others hear first. The most effective way to reduce sound leakage is simply lowering the volume. Most headphones used below about 80% volume won't leak noticeable sound. Choosing the right headphone design also matters. Closed back headphones are built to contain sound, while open back headphones intentionally leak audio for a wider soundstage, making them unsuitable for shared spaces. Fit plays a major role as well. A snug seal around your ears prevents sound from escaping, and for in ear headphones, foam ear tips provide far better isolation than silicone ones. If you use over ear headphones, worn ear pads can increase leakage, so replacing them with memory foam or leather pads can dramatically improve isolation. Advanced solutions like active noise cancellation (ANC) also help indirectly by letting you listen at lower volumes. ANC uses microphones and opposing sound waves to reduce background noise, with modern models using AI to adapt in real time. While ANC works best on steady noises like engines or AC hum, it still helps reduce overall volume needs. Finally, always mute or pause audio when not actively listening, especially in quiet environments.